these kind of industries to overrate my humanity, to bring up my people and give them more to circulate. If they have more in their pockets, the more they will spend. And the more they spend, that comes into circulation. Running a country is not like running a business. It's totally different. We have to think of all sorts of things and all the ways to make sure that you all can do better for yourself, so it's better for me. More taxes, more everything. I can spend on the provinces, I can spend on the federation, only if business is doing well. If the business is shut, अगर फैसलाबाद की 150 इंडस्ट्री बंद पड़ी है, तो लास्ट टाइम अराउंड बाकायदा झगड़ा हो रहा था with my party in Punjab because everybody was abusing us. We were giving Faisalabad electricity a little less cost and totally we wouldn't break it. There will be no breakage. There would be no stoppage of electricity. And people started taking advantage of me politically, trying to say that I am purposefully giving an advantage to the Faisalabad industries. I was. But my interest was export. And sure enough, in our times, in 5 years, 4 years, where things were bad, there was war in the borders, I did SWAT, I did all sorts of actions of Afghanistan, we had all sorts of problems going on. In spite of that, our exports increased twice at least, if not more, in that 4 years, 4.5 years. Because last 4.5 years, so you know, you're going and somebody else is coming, so the bureaucracy remembers and it starts working in a different manner. So, sure enough, but I want you to adopt your own stock exchange. Wherever I can help you, why not? I'll help you. I will give you hydel energy which is cost-free, practically cost-free. So let's sit, let's talk, and let's get up to business. Let's take up 4 or 5 industries and just take them as our lead industries and help them help ourselves. So thank you, gentlemen. Thank you for keeping this honorable ceremony here. Very kind of you. हमारे यहाँ कहते हैं कि जो आते हैं मेहमान, आने वालों का एहसान होता है. So आप मेरे मेहमान हैं. Alhamdulillah. Very kind of you. Thank you. Pakistan, Paindabaad.